If you spend a lot of time working online, then you already know how distracting and time-consuming the internet can be. In today's video, I'll show you 5 powerful Chrome extensions that can dramatically boost your productivity, help you stay focused, and save hours every single week. Let's jump right into it. Number 1. Momentum. Momentum replaces your new tab page with a clean, beautiful dashboard. Instead of seeing a cluttered screen, you get a calming background, a daily quote, and a customizable to-do list. The best part is the focus feature, which lets you set one main goal for the day. Every time you open a new tab, Momentum reminds you to stay on track. It's simple, motivational, and perfect for people who struggle with distractions. Number 2. Stay focused. If you often find yourself scrolling through social media or browsing random websites, Stay Focused is your best friend. This extension allows you to limit the amount of time you can spend on distracting sites. Once your daily limit is used up, the site becomes blocked for the rest of the day. It's a tough but effective way to control your habits and stay disciplined. Number 3. Grammarly. Whether you're writing emails, creating reports, or posting on social media, Grammarly helps you avoid embarrassing grammar mistakes. It automatically checks your spelling, grammar, and tone in real time. It even suggests better ways to phrase your sentences so your writing sounds more professional and clear. It's a must-have for anyone who writes online. Number 4. LastPass. Managing passwords across multiple websites can be a nightmare. LastPass stores all your passwords securely and allows you to log in with just one click. It also helps you generate strong passwords instantly, keeping your accounts more secure while also saving time. No more resetting passwords or guessing login details. And number 5. Notion Web Clipper. If you are a person who likes to collect articles, research, ideas, or anything useful you find online, this extension is a game changer. With one click, you can save any web page directly into your Notion workspace. You can organize your saved content into folders, add notes, and access them anytime. It's perfect for students, content creators, and remote workers. These 5 Chrome extensions are simple, powerful, and completely free. Try them out and watch your workflow transform. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a productivity boost today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.